Welcome back, JDC family. My name is Jay. This is my Diecast Creations channel, and today we got a package from the one and only Mr. Jim Silva, all the way from California. Jim's a funny guy, man. For an old guy, he's pretty cool. Oh yeah, he'll be the first one to tell you. He'll be the first one to tell you. Me and Jim, so it's funny because Jim was one of the first, and I shouldn't say one of the first, but Jim was somebody I started watching early on in my whole customizing career, per se, quote unquote. And when I got into Keith's Facebook group, the Renegades and Hoodlums, Jim was one of the guys that I always respected as far as his work went. You know, he does a lot of clean restorations on red lines and custom work, and just really clean stuff. And then I started looking at some of his Gasland stuff too, and it was like, wow, for somebody to switch gears like that, really cool. Anyway, I'm getting off topic here. Me and Jim ended up talking through Messenger or whatever, and since then we've actually developed a friendship, so Jim's a great guy, an awesome builder in the community, and he when he found out I was hosting the Double Trouble build off, he couldn't wait. He couldn't wait to participate in it. And he jumped into one of my live streams the other night, and he said he was posting a video, and I asked him if I should wait to watch the video or should I watch it before I went to sleep, and he said don't wait, just make sure Amanda's there when you open the package. So that's where we're at now. It's been a few days. Amanda's pregnant, obviously, so it takes a little bit to get her behind the camera, but we're here now. We're gonna open up 3 or 4 packages together here, and she just went into the kitchen to show you guys something that was kind of a gaff gift that was sent out here. She had no clue it was coming. I was knocked out of the 2022 JDC Pink Slips Invitational.
But wait,
there's more. But at least it wasn't by a bus. It's got the Jim Silva on there, right? Jim's one of the guys Jim is the guy that's been pushing me to start my merch store as well. So, hats off to Jim, for sure. He didn't have to do this. He doesn't usually give his customs away. He sent Amanda a Ferrari for her birthday. And now we're here with the Double Trouble build-off, and I'm assuming that's what's in this box. I don't know for sure because he never actually told me that. So if there's a clown that pops out with confetti, it's not my fault. So we're going to open this up here, and Amanda is here with me. Jay and Amanda, we got a note. Very well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap in there. We got a note. Hi, Jay and Amanda. Congratulations. Soon the babies will be here. Here are a few goodies. Package 1. There's a small metal post that goes in the top. It's taped on, and I hope it's not too tough to get out of the tape. LOL. Package 2. I hope this survives the trip. There are some brittle resin parts on this. Package 3. I so wish this had turned out better, but it really fought me. Package 4. How many packages you got in here, Jim? Since number 3 turned out kind of crappy, I added this. Maybe your first real old Ferrari. Do what you want to it. Keep it as is, or even sell it to get a few diapers. Oh my God. I truly appreciate what you do for the community and what you bring to it. Kindness, caring, and a true appreciation for the efforts that people put into the hobby. It shows in your videos. Both of you are truly wonderful. I wish you and your family all the joy that life can bring. Always, Jim. Amanda's smiling. Jim, I'm speechless on that. I really do appreciate every word that you just wrote onto that paper. And whatever you put in this box, dude, I'm gonna keep going. This way I don't lose it. All right, the bubble wrap's getting thrown on the floor. Package, they're labeled. They're all labeled. Package 3. Package 2. C letter. C letter. Package 1. C letter. Okay. And package 4. See letter. See the letter. Alright. Okay, so I think we got it all. I'm gonna put this right here so just in case anything is lost in the mix. Alright, the letter says there's a small metal post that goes in the top. It's taped on, and I hope it's not too tough to get out of the tape. Okay. So, I watched the video. I know what this is. Amanda did not. So she has no idea what Jim did. And if you guys haven't seen Jim's Double Trouble builds, you need to go over there and check it out because dude is amazing. He is absolutely talented. He stole all these ideas from Ben over at BP Custom Creations. And he said it in his video. The metal rod is right there. Okay. Come on. I don't want to break anything. Come on, baby. Oh. Okay. The metal rod came off with the tape. Okay. We got the rod. We got the post. Alright, so that's package 1. We got a diorama base. Package 2, I hope this survives the trip. Package 2. Oh, somebody's address just got exposed too. Sorry, whoever somebody is. I hope this survives the trip. There are some brittle resin parts on this. Oh, I'm gonna have to hit up Jim and see if I think that was Jim's address. I might have to edit this video. Okay. You ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, I hit the camera. This is what cool. Jim made. It's a flying Mini Cooper. And the lighting in here isn't the best, guys. My workstation is kind of hard to get to right now. So I had to do it on the game table.
By hard to get to, you mean
you can't get disaster. To it. You can't get to it. Jim, you did an amazing job on this thing, man. An amazing job. That goes in there. And then that goes in there. Boom.
That's cool.
Right? Super cool. Awesome. And he actually took these files from Ben. Ben put them on Thingiverse, I think it's called. Mm-hmm. Ben made these jet engine things. And then Jim printed them out. So that's really cool. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Number 3. I so wish this one had turned out better, but it really fought me. You want to open this one?
No, you can open it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3. The Mini Cooper, the other twin. Can you see what's on the front of it?
Ferrari emblem.
Jim says he wish it turned out better.
Better than what?
Exactly, that's what I said. Don't be so hard on yourself, old man.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah, man. It is awesome. I think you killed it, Jim. You absolutely killed it. So, that's the set of minis. The Double Trouble minis. So, the backstory with the mini thing is... And I'll let you go watch this video. But the backstory with the mini thing is Paul at Diecast Graveyard one day checked his emails and had a video from some kid, and the kid was calling him out. He was like, "Paul, you do pretty good work, but you can't mess with my stuff." You know, the kid's like 10 years old or something, right? So the kid's name was Luke. So Paul put out a challenge to the community, and I didn't get to it because I couldn't find a Mini Cooper in time. But it was Luke's challenge, run with your brung, and it was Mini Coopers. Everybody build a Mini Cooper. So Jim was like, you know what? If I'm going to build one, I might as well build 2 and incorporate it into the Double Trouble build-off, right? So that's what he did. He built the Flyer, which is so cool, and then the Ferrari Mini. The Ferrari Mini. Too. It's a red, yup, Ferrari Mini. He's got the Ferrari logo up front. And the base. Jim, you outdid yourself, man. I don't know what you mean you wish you did better. I know what you mean because I'm a creator, and when things don't turn out exactly how I wish they turned out. This is package 4. I'm going to let Amanda open it. When things don't turn out exactly how I wanted them to, I know what you mean. But it's a beautiful car, man. You did a great job. And, is that what I think it is? Jim just sent us a year's worth of diapers. No, I don't really know, but... That's a red line Ferrari. Ferrari 512S. Jim, you shouldn't have, man.
I've never.
Holy cow, don't force it. Yeah,
no, I've never seen.
Wow.
I've never seen one like this.
How cool is that? Man. I don't think a lot of people have ever seen one like this, to be honest with you. The front lifts up for the drivers to get in there. The rear lifts up for the engine to get to the engine. I keep hitting the camera stand. Jim, man. Holy cow, dude. It's a Ferrari 512S red line. 1970 Hong Kong. Wow.
I'm speechless.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think
Me too.
I haven't shut my mouth since I
Since you saw it.
Wrap.
Jim, man, thank you so much, my man. All the way from California. He as soon as I announced the build off, he's like, I'm in, you know. He did the same thing with the Ferrari thing. As soon as he found out about it. Well, at first he was like, you know, I don't know that I'm going to be able to do anything. And then he hit me up and was like, the Ferrari's coming. It's coming your way. But, dude, to send all this and then, you know, the words that you say at the bottom of this letter, it all hits home. And I know you're not a softie, but,
Yeah.
He puts up a good front. Jim, I really appreciate you, man. Hey, guys, if you haven't seen Jim Silva, I really don't know what you're doing with your time. But if you haven't seen the Luke's challenge, go and check that out. That's the flyer. It's 2 separate videos. So the flyer's there, and then there's a video for the Double Trouble. I'm not sure if he used the hashtag JDC Double Trouble or not, but go to Jim Silva's channel and check it out, man, because it's well worth the watch. And to top it off, a red line that I didn't even know existed ever. Super cool, man. Thank you so much, Jim.
Thank you, Jim.
We really appreciate it. We're 5 weeks out, guys. The babies are coming fast, so we got 2 more boxes to get here, and I don't want to have Amanda in here all night. But we do appreciate what you just did. And I'm sorry that it sat in a box for about a week. It just it takes time for us to get these things done, right? That's going to be it for today, guys. Go check out Jim. Let him know the JDC family's in the house. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.